So today, welcome back. In today's tutorial we are going to look about to deal with started threads of this is a power saw machine head. So we are going to deal with these threads here. They are stunted. So this is the plug, as you are seeing. So the plug no longer enters. You are seeing there are no threads inside. So what we are going to do, we are going to first drill in with 14 millimeters to remove the stunted threads inside. So after that we will tap inside with a 16. This is 16 times 1.5, because this is going to act as our irium coil. It is of 16 meters with a pitch of 1.5 threads, as you are seeing. So after that, after cutting inside, we are going to tie this irium coil inside. After tying inside, we shall drill in with 12 millimeter drilling bit inside, because we are recommended to use drill. This is we are going to drill in with 12 times 1.75. that's with the recommendation, but I don't have 7.1.5. we are going to use just 12.5. so after that we shall tap the threads of 14 times 1.25, because the pitch of the original plug. Let me show you the pitch. As you are seeing, it's the pitch of the original plug. So let me take you to the video and see how to make these threads, and we tie again the plug. So let's go into the video. So we are going to first deal with our irium coil. It is of 16 millimeters 1.5. We try to count these sticks here. So they are 16. So we are going to first remove this excessive part of our irium coil using this grinder. So we have finished to remove this excessive part. As you are seeing, this is the excess part. So you have to make this irium coil flat. As you are saying, it should be flat. So you are going to drill in with a 12 millimeter drilling bit. So you are going to use, this is 12 millimeter drilling bit. We see 12 that is 12.5. okay, inside is a drill, but you have to be in a straight line. So we have finished to drill inside our irium coil with 12.25 millimeter drilling bit, as you are seeing. So these threads are good. So let's also go and work on the threads where we are going to tie this irium coil. Yeah, inside here. So let's tie it inside. So we are finished to tie inside. So we are going to drill with 14. We are going to drill with, this is 14 1.5 drilling bits inside to remove the remaining stunted hole thread. So after drilling, we are going to use 16. This is 16 times 1.5 to tap inside the threads where we are going to tie this irium coil. So we are going to tie it inside. So this is the tap for these threads. So let's tap and we see. kirungi mujja byokya temufaayo. So it should be in a straight line. So I'm using a tap of 16 as you were saying. So you should be in a straight line. So when cutting these threads, should not cut the threads until the bottom. You leave some space to act as a stopper, and it should be in a straight line. So you should leave some space down to act as a stopper. So we are going to tie this iridium coil that we have finished to tie to tap inside the threads. So we are going to tie this iridium coil inside here. So with the help of a spar glue, let me bring the spar glue. So before we tie inside, let's first put a mark here with the help of the axle blade. Where the iridium coil is going to get tight. If we try to tighten it like when it gets tight, it will just break. Let's put a mark. So you put a mark like this, even this side. So like this, then this side and also this side like this. So let's tie our iridium coil in the head. Pausing. So with the help of a spar glue, let's tie our iridium coil. So this is the spar glue. Let's tie our iridium coil. So our iridium coil has broken. How to remove this excessive part of our iridium coil using a drill. With let's use 16mm drilling bit. Not working. Then you use 20 drilling bits. So this is a drill of 20mm. So let's use this one. So you have to be careful. So after removing that excessive part, you have to cut inside the threads of 14 125. So first we are going to use this one. It's 1/4. It is 13 millimeters. To first make work a bit move smooth. Should be in a straight line. So I have to use a 14. This is a 14. So use a lot, some energy to start these taps because the helium coil we are using so steel. Have to be in a straight line. So as you are seeing, now the threads, they are good and neat. So let's test. As you are seeing, the threads now they are good and neat. So let's test. So as now you are seeing, the plug ties. So thank you for watching. So before we leave, let me try to explain to you something. So what we first did was to drill inside to remove the started threads with 14 millimeter drilling bit. We removed the remaining standard threads. After that, we tapped inside with 16, a tap of 16 times 1.5. So after tapping inside, we fixed and with our helium coil inside, and after that we drilled in the helium coil with a 12 millimeter drilling bit so that we can cut the threads of 14. This is the threads of 14. So 14 times 125, as you are seeing. So the threads now, they are good and they are back to original. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment.